Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to unlink Google account from your Dola AI account. So first of all, launch Dola AI app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, go ahead and tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, simply tap on Dola Account. Now, you can see your Google account linked. Simply tap on it. Now, on this pop-up, you'll see the option of Unlink. Tap on it. And with that, you will easily be able to unlink your Google account from your Dola AI account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.